This is a video I filmed about a month ago, maybe a little bit over a month ago, of me going to buy a 2015 Suzuki GSX-R 750 that the guy got stolen and then he got it back from the police. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and in the next video, we will completely rebuild this bike. Let's get into it. I hope you guys enjoy.
Intro to what? Buying the GSX-R or another Jeep build video?
I think the 750 intro.
Oh, we're going to buy another motorcycle today, boys. Welcome to Built from the Bottom, guys. How's it going? We're going to pick up another motorcycle. I don't know which video is going to come out first on which motorcycle we bought, but we just bought 2 new motorcycles. What's your ETA?
Bro, this angle's such a vibe right now. Oh. You're an island boy.
Alright, my audience isn't going to know that, Angeli. Angeli, I think you're an island boy.
Tyrell.
Wow, look at that.
Oh.
Got a whole squad here.
Yo. I'm Andrew.
That's it. It got taken from here? Yeah. Booby. Huh?
I didn't switch over my insurance yet because I just moved out here from New Hampshire.
Mm-hmm.
So they're like, oh, it's pretty much fraud because I was like, oh, I tried to call my insurance. And they're like, oh, we can't cover it because...
Caught in 4K.
Hey. I'm the one that edits the video,
Yeah.
so I don't know. I want to. I can't keep everything, so like I do sell it.
Okay.
Sure, the right way, you probably would have
Damn.
Big L.
Yeah, the seat's cool. They did the front stay. Yeah. For a Jeep Wrangler.
For real?
Yeah.
What year?
2014.
I got one in my living room. Oh, shit.
Really?
I swear to God, I've been needing to get
Is it the does it have the little slots and stuff? Like it's like the OEM one, or is it just like a...
All right, so we loaded the bike up and now we're back here at the warehouse, and what happened was the guy worked at Safelite and he actually had a leftover piece of glass for a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. So he sold me a brand new piece of glass, a Milwaukee caulk gun, and also gave me the glue I need to put this on. It's for $200. So we got glass inside the 500 horsepower Jeep Wrangler build, and let's get over to the bike. But right here is the bike, and I'll go over what's up with it. So it's really not that bad of damage. You can see it's missing the fairings on this side. It went down. You know, this is broken. This is all scratched up. Tank is damaged. You got a rip in the seat. So this bike got stolen out of his apartment complex, and you can see they drilled out all of the locks, and right there you can see that's drilled out. So I went ahead and ordered everything I need to kind of bring this bike back to life. I have it over here. I also have a completely new fairing kit from NT Fairings in a kind of chalk gray. That R1 is in a Nardo gray, and this is a chalk gray. You can see it's a lot lighter. A new OEM mirror for the right side. I also got an air ram. Let's see, we got our air ram right here, and then I got a whole new key set. So I went with the OEM key set. This ended up costing me more money than like the Chinese aftermarket ones. So I got 2 keys with this. This was like $90. And yeah, that's kind of what's up with this bike. It's a 2015 Suzuki GSX-R 750. And in the next video, I'm pretty much just going to pull it all apart, clean it up, fix what's wrong with it, because there's really not too much wrong with it. You know, I'll probably be able to save this, bend it back, and then repaint it. And then maybe I'll be able to save this exhaust right here. I really don't know yet. We got a Built from the Bottom 3.0 in the makings right now. So I'll talk more about that some other time. But have a Merry Christmas, everybody. I'll catch y'all later. Peace out. I thought I was about to end the video right there, but then I figured out I can actually get this bike started with the way it's wired. I thought like something was up within this, but it's kind of like wired to where the bike is always on right now. So I just gotta kind of put that battery on the bike and it starts right up, and then you guys can hear it. It's pretty sweet. Pretty much with the way this ignition is wired, it's always on as long as the battery has charge. I don't really know how to like turn it off, so that's why I just kind of set that on there like that. And in the next video, we'll get to completely bring this bike back to better than stock. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.
Sit down, sit down.